incredible strength. I can carry 4 vegetable baskets at once, each weighing hundreds of pounds. When I went to eat at a restaurant, the owner thought I was taking up too much space and tried to kick me out. That really ticked me off, so I slammed my fist down and instantly split the 2-person table into a single. Everyone was stunned, and the owner quickly served me a bowl of noodles, terrified he'd be my next target. After eating, I went back to work at the factory, effortlessly lifting cargo weighing thousands of pounds, which amazed my coworkers. Suddenly, a young guy's clothes got caught in the conveyor belt, and he was being dragged onto it. Other coworkers rushed over to help, but they weren't strong enough to save him. When I noticed what was happening, I took a running leap and stomped the conveyor belt, breaking it and saving the kid's life. Unfortunately, my nemesis witnessed this and pulled out a knife, quickly approaching me. But to her surprise, the knife couldn't even pierce me. Now I was really pissed. I shoved her and sent her flying 30 feet away. When the CEO heard about this, he immediately tricked me into a room, then hit a button that sent a massive hydraulic press crashing down from above. I didn't panic. I thrust my hands up and held it back with all my might. Then my body began glowing with multicolored lights. At that exact moment, my mother and grandmother sensed some
Azona.